Hi everyone, so I'm in a collaboration that is hosted by Susan Tootsie Tucker. She is here on YouTube and her co-host is her bestie. They are so cute in their videos together. So I will link them down below. Plus I'll be linking all the other wonderful ladies that are participating in this collaboration. So for this collaboration, you just have to do something with candy and in a Christmas theme. So this is what I made this week. It is one of the little birdhouses from Dollar Tree. And everything I use is either Dollar Tree or Hobby Lobby. So this is the birdhouse from Dollar Tree. I used the fake snow from Dollar Tree. These little lollipops came from Hobby Lobby. These candy canes are from Hobby Lobby, and so is this little gingerbread guy right here. The little wreath right here is an ornament from Hobby Lobby, and I just took out the string, this little trim that I thought looked kind of like a little like snow, like icicle stuff, you know, to go around the edge of the house. This trim is from Hobby Lobby. And then here are my little candy pieces up here as well from Hobby Lobby. And then right here in the roof, I used some of that tulle from Dollar Tree. And it's actually the blue one, but you can't really tell that it's blue. And then this is the one that has like the little specks of like fake snow to it. So I thought I would add some fun texture. And then I put these little peppermints and a little Merry Christmas. That's all Hobby Lobby. This little Rudolph is Hobby Lobby. And back here I put a snowflake with a little Santa eraser. And then right here I put one of the little rhinestone gemmies right there, like one of the little diamond dots. And then this side looks exactly like the other side. So this is what I made this week with my little candy decoration. Then I can show you one of the items that I did last week because I have it right here. Last week I did a peppermint and a like little gumdrop chunky chain, and this is what I made last week. So this is what I've done so far. So we will be back next week again on Saturday, and it is at 7 a.m. California time and 9 Central time. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little creation here. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave it down below in the comment section, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Have a fabulous weekend, you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.